Welcome back. Sankhali MLA Pramod Sawant claims that public meetings opposing Mopa should be stopped. He has asked the Congress leader Advocate Ramanand Khalap, who is supporting Mopa, to convince his party members first. Sawant says it's a political stunt by the state Congress party on the backdrop of forthcoming Lok Sabha poll.
म्हाका दिसता हें बंद करपाक जाय काँग्रेसीन आनी तांकां मुळात बाकीच्या विशयाचेर प्रमोदान घालप आनी उलोवच्या पयलीं स्वताच्या पक्षांतल्या सगळ्या लिडरांक तेणी समजून सांगचें पडटलें की मोपाची उपयुक्ता कशी आसा ही लोकांक सांगच्या पयलीं काँग्रेसींतल्या नेत्यांक सांगचें पडटलें. काँग्रेसींतल्या सगळ्यांक एकत्र हाडून कारण तेंचे 9 आमदार आसतले किंवा तेंचे बाकीचे पदाधिकारी आसतले हे वेळच्या वेळी वेगवेगळी विधानां मोपाच्या बाबतींत करीत आसतात किंवा वेळच्या वेळी वेगवेगळे जाण मोपाक विरोधूय करीत आसतात. मोपाची जी सगळी प्रक्रिया जी आसा ही प्रक्रिया बेगिनात बेगीन आनी सुटसुटीतपणान फास्ट करपाची हे जो आसा सुरू केल्लो आसा हेका खंय तरी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन हाडपा खातीर काँग्रेसचे हे सगळे लिडर्स जे आसा हे प्रॉब्लेम करीत आसा. कारण आमी केन्नाच म्हणून ना की दाबोळी खातीर आमचो विरोध आसतलो हे भारतीय जनता पार्टीन केन्नाच सांगूंक ना की त्या खातीर प्रमोदान घालप हांच्यांनी जे लोकांक सांगतात उत्तर गोंयच्या जनते खातीर आसत किंवा बाकीच्या खातीर आसत तेज्या पयलीं तेंच्यांनी स्वकीय पक्षांतल्या इतर अध्यक्ष आसत किंवा तेचे आमदार आसत हांकां सांगचें की तेंच्यांनी जाहीर रित्या सभा घेवच्यो बंद करच्यो.
Kankon MLA Ramesh Tavadkar inaugurated KTC bus for the Goa shipyard employees on the Kankon-Vasco route. KTC chairman Carlos Almeida assured that such requests from companies in Verna will also be considered. The bus is in service specially for the GSL workers.
आज ही बस सुरू जाता आसतना खूब आनंद जाता. एक काणकोणकारां तरी खूब म्हाका दिसता सादारणशे एक 50 तरी काणकोणकार वास्को साकून ही काणकोण प्रवास करतात. त्यामुळे ही मागणी आज आनी कालची न्ही खूब वर्सांची. एक सायडीन काणकोणाक वास्को साकून काणकोण वचपी लोकांचो डिमांड आशिल्लो आनी मडगांव साकून काणकोण वचपाक 7 शेवटची बस.
We have got a lot of requests from different companies, like from porters we have given bus. We have got requests from shipyard workers, and see, like Kadamba is there to connect the people from the villages to the cities. Even some more requests have come to us from Verna, and we are trying to consider even those. It is my only one request to the workers is that that the bus should go full and come back full. But then it is especially for shipyard employees. But in case the bus goes empty on the way, some passengers they will pick up the passengers. It will not go as a local bus.
With a theme on Beauty with a Purpose for Safe Women, Safe India, Miss Summer Tulip 2013 contest was held recently. Young girls across the country participated for the precious crown. The event was held with style, which is in vogue. Miss Summer Tulip is a national platform for girls, providing them an opportunity to play a role of Safe Women, Safe India ambassador. Here are some excerpts captured by Tulsidas Chari. Have a look. If you have missed a bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.